In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Catholic Liturgical Calendar to your Google Calendar. If you're looking to keep track of important liturgical events throughout the year, this guide will be quite helpful. Let's get started and make sure you're set up for success. Firstly, you're going to want to open up Google Calendar. You can do this by simply navigating to the Google Calendar website. For most of us, this will be a very familiar page where you likely already manage your daily schedule. If you're not signed in yet, don't forget to log in with your Google account to access your calendar. Once your calendar is open, the next step involves conducting a quick search. Open up a new tab in your web browser and head over to Google. Here, type in Catholic Liturgical Calendar and hit search. This will bring up a range of results, but the one you're interested in is usually at the top and clearly mentions the liturgical calendar specifically curated for Catholics. Click on the link that leads to a view of the Catholic Liturgical Calendar. This is a key step because this page will provide you with the exact link you need to sync with your Google Calendar. You'll find a detailed view of important dates and events, which is exactly what will be added to your digital calendar. On this page, look for an option that says Add to Google Calendar. Clicking this link is crucial, as it will prompt Google Calendar to automatically integrate the liturgical calendar events into yours. When you click this, you might be asked to confirm that you wish to add the calendar to your list, along with granting any necessary permissions. Simply follow through with the prompts, ensuring that each step is confirmed when needed. Finally, as the last step, you'll typically find an option titled Add All in your Google Calendar interface. Click this to ensure all events from the Catholic Liturgical Calendar are fully integrated into your system. This ensures you won't miss any significant feast days, observances, or celebrations. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Catholic Liturgical Calendar to your Google Calendar. Now you can keep up with every important liturgical event throughout the year. This integration helps you manage your time more effectively and aligns your personal or family activities with the liturgical seasons. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, make sure to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.